Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use DFX to trade between and earn yield on stablecoins representing a variety of foreign currencies. So we're starting out here on dfx.finance, their main page. I'm going to click Go to App, and from here, this is the swap page. We also have analytics, where you can see various statistics about the protocol, and the pool section. So each currency, like the Canadian dollar, CADC here, or the Euro stablecoin, is paired against USDC, which acts as the base currency for the protocol. So I'm going to start off showing how a swap works here. So first, you got to make sure to connect your wallet. Okay, you can set your max slippage and transaction deadline. So we're going to go from USDC to the Euro stablecoin. And now we have our settings in, showing the amount that we want to swap, current price, and hit the swap button. We have to give permission to access USDC in MetaMask. Wait for that transaction to confirm. Okay, so even though I got some weird pop-ups about a potential error, that approval transaction is still confirmed. So now I'm going to hit swap and going to confirm in MetaMask. Now I'm waiting for that transaction to confirm. All right, that transaction is now confirmed. I can see that I have a Euro balance. And so now that we have both of them here, I'm going to go over to the pools page. And here we can see that you can earn APY by staking both two stable coins in each pair and providing liquidity. So we're looking at the Euro USD pair here. And you can see how much of each token is in the pool and current proportion here. And so there's the option providing either two-sided or single-sided when depositing your liquidity here. So with two-sided, what that means is that you already have both of the tokens and you're putting in, and so you're contributing both sides. And then alternatively, you could do single-sided staking and just put in one of the tokens. And what that will do is it will automatically do the swap that we just did. And so then it automates the step of having both currencies. But I wanted to show you the swap side too. So we already have two currencies now. And so we have the Euro and the dollar side. And now we just hit add liquidity. Got to give permission to access the Euro tokens like we did for USDC. So waiting for that transaction to confirm. All right, now that transaction is confirmed to approve that liquidity. So we have Euro, we have US dollars. I'm going to hit add liquidity. All right, now giving permission to access USDC. Just intentionally setting gas prices a little bit higher to make sure this goes through quickly. All right, and now just have to confirm this transaction. MetaMask. All right, now we have liquidity pool tokens. So we're going to go to the stake, unstake, LPTs tab. And so we have this LPT token, and we want to stake it because then we get additional token earnings. So Spool receives DFX tokens as well as TEL tokens. So now I'm going to hit stake. And so I have to give permission first. So I'm going to give permission for that. All right, now I just need to confirm the staking transaction. All right, and that staking transaction has gone through, and we now have our LPT token staked for that pool, and it will be earning the token airdrops. All right, there were some errors popping up throughout this process, but I just continued to reload the page, retry, and was able to get through all these errors and complete the transaction. And I'm sure this is a process that they'll be improving to smooth things out going forward. That's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.